Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about writing test 2, which is also called essay writing. But before starting writing test 2, I'll let you know about the marking system of writing module in IELTS. IELTS writing is divided into two segments: writing test 1 and writing test 2. Writing test 1 for academic is for bar chart, graph, pictogram. This will be showing in writing test 1, and writing test 2 will be essay writing. Uh, Marking is like writers carry more marks. Like 2/3 mark will be taken from writing test 2 and 1/3 mark will be taken from writing test 1. That means 3 marks will be taken from writing test 1 and 6 marks will be taken from writing test 2. So in that case, what you will be covering in writing test 2? So this is writing test 2 or essay writing. There are 5 or 6 types of essay. Like first one is called opinion based. Which is also called agree or disagree. Next one is advantage and disadvantage. One is problem and solution. Thank you. Number 4 is two-part question. Number 5 is discuss both views. So these are all types of writing tests too. I mean, these are actually called argumentative based of writing. First of all, opinion based essay. If you want to write opinion based essay, then it would be also called agree disagree. But in that case, either you're going to agree or disagree, but you cannot do both at the same time. So in that case, before starting opinion based essay, you should do some brainstorming work. Like what you can do if your topic is like this. So, for example, I'm giving you a topic. So rickshaw should be banned in Dhaka City. Do you agree or disagree? So if you get this kind of uncommon or unfamiliar topic, how are you going to proceed? You should do some brainstorming work before proceeding. That's what this is called brainstorming or outlining. So first of all, you should draw a table over here, and right. So agree, disagree. First of all, you find out some keywords or short notes. But remember that there is no marking for this, just for your own good, so that you can proceed with the essay. That's why you need the brainstorming outlining. So you can do some. So first one is traffic jam. Next one is like migration of illiterate people. In disagree part, you can do write some keywords as well. Later on, I will describe them, why we are writing this. Safety and comfort. You don't need more than 2 or 3 keywords actually. 2 keywords is fine enough, more than sufficient enough. Actually, traffic jam, because if you're writing introductory paragraph, first of all, you have to do the paraphrasing, writing the introduction in your own words, using the keyword which you have sorted out through this brainstorming. And then you're going to write a thesis statement. Thesis statement is either you're going to agree or disagree, you have to clarify in this second sentence. Third sentence is outlining sentence. If you're agreeing with the essay, then you take 2 keywords from here and you write 2 sentences using those. It could be a simple, complex, more should be a compound sentence as well. You can use and, but, or, in between, and write a compound sentence. And then you should start proceeding with the body paragraph. Body paragraph should be 3 paragraphs in the middle, because it's opinion based essay. There should be a counter argument. So if you're, suppose you're agreeing with the essay, I guess, so then in that case, traffic jam, you write a whole paragraph using a traffic jam, using this keyword. You have to elaborate this keyword into a whole 7 to 9 sentences paragraph. And if you're struggling with the elaborating the paragraph, then you can use example if you want. Like once I was going to my university or office, it was raining cats and dogs. I couldn't find any vehicle on the road, and later on I ended up find a vehicle which was a rickshaw, and it cost me a higher price. And I ended up reaching my office or university half an hour late. It was my exam day. My boss called me because I reached late in the office. So it could be an example like that. So it's not easy to elaborate all the keywords all the time. I mean, not writing your 7 to 9 sentences, describing it to a whole paragraph, body paragraph. In that case, you can use this sort of example. So traffic jam, then migration of illiterate people. Lots of people are coming to Dhaka city to pull rickshaw. You don't need any certificate or any degree to pull a rickshaw. You just need strong physics for pull a rickshaw. So that's why lots of illiterate and stupid people or uneducated people are coming to Dhaka city and making Dhaka city a crowded place. So that's why rickshaw should be banned in Dhaka city. That's what we say. So now the second paragraph is done from the body part, and the third paragraph would be eco-friendly or safety and comfort, whichever you choose. Eco-friendly could be like rickshaw is totally environment friendly. There is no pollution done by rickshaw. It never has, is never done any pollution. And safety and comfort, rickshaw is one of the safest and comfortable vehicle of the whole world actually. Like if you go to see other cities like India, Thailand, Malaysia, you can see rickshaw over there, but they are the rickshaw pullers over there are pulling rickshaw for different purpose. It's for tourist attraction, not for like Dhaka city. You can start that could be example like that. You can start the introductory paragraph by this kind of general statement. Like nowadays, rickshaw is becoming a major public transport in Dhaka city, although it's a private transport. So then you could give a thesis statement. Then comes the outlining part, then the body part. If you're agreeing, then take 2 keywords and elaborate them to different paragraphs. Then the disagree part. Then the counter argument will come. Why counter argument? Because you have to show the examiner that you can you have understood the you are supporting the essay from the different perspective. So either you could use eco-friendly and or you can use safety and comfort. Then last part is the concluding part. Concluding part. Here you can use in to conclude, to sum up in conclusion, this kind of linking or connecting words, and then after that you can use the summary using 3-4 sentences, summary of the whole essay. But in that case, you have to have the relevancy. The coherence and cohesion, two words are very important. Coherence is relevancy. Coherence means relevancy. Relevancy means when you're writing with the introduction, you have to have relevancy with the conclusion as well. That's the main thing. And cohesion is example, research-based examples, which you are, if you're applying those kind of example in body part, you have to also give them the theory why you are using this kind of example. You have to give some clue or hints or ideas. And then the last part will be your opinion, summary plus opinion. That's the breakdown of the structure of the concluding paragraph. Last part will be your opinion, and opinion you have to say, I believe, in my opinion, the rickshaw should be banned in Dhaka city because government should give make separate lane for rickshaw, or there should be proper training center for rickshaw pullers. What kind of things you want to think from yourself, from your point of view? What should government, what kind of steps government should take? That's you have to elaborate in the last sentence of the essay. So you have to write about 250 to 280 words. 250 to 280 words. Remember, if you're writing less than 250 words, you'll be disqualified. There will be negative marking. So not mention. Everything counts in IELTS writing except the punctuation mark. All the article, verb, noun, pronoun, everything counts. So that's how you can write writing test 2 essay writing, and that'll be all.
You can show us some ending part.
Ending part. Okay. Okay. So you start practicing with your this kind of format and structure, and later on we'll move on to advantage, disadvantage essay, problem solution essay, and 2-part question, discuss both views. All the other essays actually carries 4 parts. Introduction and conclusion are common. Apart from those 2 body paragraphs will be there. For advantage, disadvantage, there will be 1 paragraph for advantage, 1 paragraph for disadvantage, problem solution, 1 paragraph for problem, 1 problem solution. 2-part question, there will be 2 kind of questions with 2 questions, and you have to give the statements of your in your own way. Discuss both views. You have to discuss, of course, both sides of views. Thank you all.
Thank you so much.
Okay.